This is a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL, and this is its door. The reason it's here is because it was making a rattling noise pretty consistently around 1900 RPM. It was making me crazy, so I had to find out where it was coming from. It was coming from the right-hand passenger side, and I disassembled the door only to find out that I used this foam here to stick the door together. And apparently this beam had parted ways with the panel, with the door panel, and I put some glue, and hopefully it will just stop doing that. And I guess it's a Jeep thing.